Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In maths and algebra, normally you come across such a question like simplify this equation. Mm. So, so this is a math simplification theorem, and there are plenty of them are available. And this is a very nice link. I'm recommending. Uh, Please go through this. They tell you in depth for the students that how to solve this math. But um, our objective is what is to apply Excel on it and quickly verify that what is the solution. What would be the value of X if we have to solve this equation, right? So let's write this equation in terms of Excel, right? The first thing we do is typing an equal to sign that is telling to the Excel that we are writing a formula, right? And we focus only the first part, that is the within the parentheses, so that and the second part will be kept in separately. Okay, so 2 we will write 2 as it is. So let's start the bracket first, parenthesis, and then 2. Now raised to power x. Raised to power is you hold down shift with one hand and strike 6 with the other. So this is the exponentation, raised to power, right? Raised to power x, right? So, okay, this is x, okay? So, and then you type plus in here, okay, okay, right? And then you type 4, and raised to power again, hold down shift and type this, okay? So this makes you exponentation. Now the same h3 would be okay, and we close the practicing. Okay, so this is the first part of the equation, right, which we have written. Okay, now the other part is denominator or numerator is this. So in what denominator? So this is, here we type 2 raised to power. So let's put an equal to sign first. 2 raised to power h3, right? Okay, fair enough, right? Now we have to increment this so that the value is set to 17, right? So let's put here this equal to this divided by this. Okay, I'm sorry, this divided by this, right? Okay, that's right. Okay, okay, so this has to be 17. As soon as it becomes 17, you will get the answer, that what would be the value of x. So let's type, so let's try, say, any number and see all these formulas working, right? Okay, 1, 2, 200, for example, or 22, okay, right? Okay, so these are, so we have to see that what would be the appropriate value of x so that this becomes 17, right? So this is, we color it differently, that our target is this, okay? And we keep on changing this until this becomes 17. So in Excel, to do this, we have the function and the data. Here we go to the forecast, and here is a what if analysis, and go to the goal seek. Right? In the goal seek, you set some cell. So the cell which is to be set is this, right? And it has to be set to some value. So 17 is the right thing. Hmm? So 17, we want this cell to be set 17 by changing this, the values in X3, right? Okay, so let's click OK. So this is 17, almost 17, and 3.9999, at least 4. Huh? This is the answer, and uh, this will be verified, and we will see this video better, and and the actual steps, the material as required by a student to do. These are mentioned in it. Please do see this video, and do try to use Excel to verify your working, and simple step, that is the goal C, and the goal sheet is in the data code, in the data tab, in the form forecast group, and there is a what if analysis, and goal sheet will take you to the value which you want to achieve your desired result, that is 17. Okay, so thank you very much for joining. Let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the two questions we can answer. Goal sheet in Excel is a tool that uh, helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Right? Uh, yeah. So, or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question, goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver, no, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis. Data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis. Data analyze and data analysis. No, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the so right answer is this. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.